Hi friends, in Ethereum today we will be talking about how Ethereum is just a few hours away from entering into a new market bull run, and we have been sitting on a downtrend since December last time. अगर हम बात करें कि भैया अब ये ऊपर कब जाएगा, so usually all the things that we can say whether it will be able to break out or not is that we have to look at certain identifying items like bottoms and tops. We need to look into the news also and the sentiments of what the people are saying. अब इस sentiment से we won't decide whether what we are saying is right, but we'll see if there are any negative sentiments in the market at all. अगर हम बात करें यूएस के क्रिप्टो ट्रेडर्स हेज फंड की, तो they are not disappointed in this merge. They are looking towards it and they have been trading shorts in their derivative markets on this particular crypto blockchain, and this will be a very big technical update. It is also very powerful that when we check the Ethereum chart, अभी मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. Let's say we are placing a short trade. तो अगर हमारे पास ये पर्टिकुलर एरिया पोटेंशियल टारगेट रहेगा, सो इफ द इथेरियम प्राइस अगर हम बात करें शॉर्ट पोजीशन पे है राइट नाउ, आई बिलीव लेट्स से द मार्केट इज गोइंग टू कम डाउन एट दिस लेवल. तो उसमें क्या करेंगे हम, वील बी पुटिंग आवर स्टॉप लॉस इस एरिया में. नाउ व्हाट द स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पे जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है ना, वो लिक्विडिटी है. सो मार्केट अब देखें आप, तो वी आर नॉट रियली श्योर व्हाट यू मीन बाय दैट. देन बेसिकली जब हम शॉर्ट जाते हैं तो वी आर सेलिंग द मार्केट एंड योर स्टॉप लॉस विल ऑटोमेटिकली बाय द मार्केट इफ इट गोज अगेंस्ट यू, जिससे कि आपका ज्यादा नुकसान ना हो. वो लेवरेज वगैरह में काउंट नहीं होता है. तो एवरीवन इज स्टार्टिंग टू गो शॉर्ट ऑन द मार्केट, जैसे कि हमने भी पता किया पिछली न्यूज में. सो नाउ यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा लिक्विडिटी जोन बन चुका है. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि व्हेन यू बाय द मार्केट एंड इट पुशेस द प्राइस इनटू द लिक्विडिटी जोन, इवेंचुअली जो भी सेलर रहेगा उनके बाय ऑर्डर्स विल गेट done at this particular price point. On the flip side, if you can see why this is happening, then these big pushes towards the outside, because it just takes out stop. Okay, so stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, and eventually it rips through, speeds up again. Now you can see you have these big dumps, swords, outside. These sort of things happening, and then these are these spikes on the top, because this is where all the buy orders come in, lower down. And so without even looking at the chart information, that news of people going short, ये हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा important plus point है, जो हमको एक बोलेगा कि हाँ जी चलो भैया, things are going according to the plan in the right direction. Market now on the is something other. This big push towards the downside, we tested it recently, and here what is the kind of like 200-day moving average, right? And right now you can see a couple of days ago we pushed into this area and we got rejected, pushed downwards. ये जिसे हम इस लाइन को क्रॉस करने वाले थे. Downside of this is where it gets exciting. We jump into the 15-minute chart. Now when you are coming down towards the bottom of these chart patterns and we get rejected, now just hear a buzz. This is the top of the daily pattern or a falling wedge pan. This is a 15-minute chart, okay? 15 minutes, not necessarily the biggest deal, because obviously a smaller time frame and the price target is up here. Now you can see this 15-minute chart is literally nearing its completion zone, which I would anticipate being somewhere around a price point of 1676. बस $25 का ही फर्क है यहाँ पे. Now we might see something like this, and if it completes this trap pattern, guys, ये ना इस yellow line को पार कर जाएगा. What it might do if it break this yellow line is start to take out those short positions that we talked about here and the stop loss zone. This is a massive for Ethereum. If this happens, then things are going to get very exciting, and we could see a very exciting push towards obviously using this happening in Ethereum. But Bitcoin itself is showing normal signs of strength coming out of his zone. We are starting to see pushes outside from the outside. We could also be seeing Bitcoin getting out of this chart pattern. Well, it seems that it might take a little bit longer. And the theory right now is that all sort of Bitcoin is following its merry way. But if we see a theory in pushing, we could see Bitcoin taking a big surge as well, jumping across the US dollar index. The US dollar index, which has what keep the cryptocurrency markets really low down, is starting to push towards the downside. I want to show you this. Wait. This is the top of the US dollar chart right now. It's starting to show weakness. It broke through its area and is continue to push. If it breaks down here, I'm pretty much looking for a crypto bull market. दिस इज वेरी एक्साइटिंग टाइम फॉर क्रिप्टो. इट्स नॉट फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस. अपना रिसर्च खुद कीजिए, अपना पैसा खुद लगाइए. अगर आप लगा सकते हैं तो डेफिनेटली लगाइए, ठीक है. एंड अगर आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं कि भैया यार आपने जो इस टाइम पे पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च करके आपने जो गैम्बल खेला है, अगर वो पे ऑफ नहीं करता है, देन इट इज यू शुड बी एबल टू बेयर दैट. I advise that buying a few weeks ago, which is probably optimal time to buy, but not obviously if you miss the boat. Maybe you're looking for another good opportunity, you can wait for a retest. What I mean by that is a break out of here, then it pushes back down and pushes like that. I don't think that we are going to see if we break here in this yellow line through here, which means agar 200 MA, I think we'll come in contact with that. It'll probably push us back down around that level. We are not now. We are going to pushing it. Key could be couple of days, could be less. So मेरी रिसर्च के हिसाब से अभी जो मैंने आपको बताया है, ये एक पॉसिबल आउटकम है हमारे इथेरियम मर्ज का. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप क्रिप्टो वाइकिंग को बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए, ताकि हम आपके लिए और बेटर कंटेंट और ज्यादा कंटेंट ला सकें. अभी वी आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग एंड वी होप टू गो बिग. तो यूएस में रिपोर्ट आएगी, उससे इन्फ्लेशन डिसाइड होगा. इन्फ्लेशन अगर 8.1 के नीचे आता है तो फिर हमको एक बुलिश मार्केट दिखने के हैवी चांसेस हैं. लेट्स होप कि हम जो इनिशियल क्रिप्टो इन्वेस्ट, प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब बटन को फाड़ दीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए. Let's hope कि this turns out to be good. Thank you so much everybody.